Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Way to Learn English, the place where learning English feels comfortable, practical, and enjoyable. I'm Marco.
Hi, Marco. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here with you today. I'm Jessica, and I'm really excited to spend this time learning together.
I'm excited too, Jessica. You sound full of energy today. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling wonderful. Thank you. I had a calm morning, a cup of coffee, and some quiet time to think in English. So I'm ready to talk. How about you, Marco?
I'm doing great. The weather is nice, my pronunciation is warmed up, and I'm in a very good mood for today's episode.
I feel calm today. You know when you're a little tired, but your mind feels open?
Yes, that quiet, open feeling. And actually, that feeling matches today's topic perfectly.
It does, because today we're talking about something very quiet inside many people.
The topic is simple, but deep. Understand English, but can't speak.
And if you're listening and thinking, that's me, you're not strange. You're not alone. And nothing is wrong with you.
Let's imagine a small moment. Maybe it happened yesterday. You're at work, or in class, or ordering coffee.
Someone speaks to you in English, and inside your head, you understand. You think, yes, I know this. This is easy.
But then they stop talking, and they look at you.
And suddenly your mind feels empty.
Your English disappears, like it went out for a walk.
You smile, you nod, you say, yes, or okay, or
And later, when you're alone, maybe walking home, maybe in the shower, you think, why didn't I say that? I knew the words.
That moment hurts a little. Not a big pain, but a quiet one.
We want to start today by saying this clearly. This problem does not mean you're bad at English.
It doesn't mean you don't study enough.
It doesn't mean you're not intelligent.
It usually means your English learned how to listen, but not how to speak yet.
And yet is important.
Speaking English is very different from understanding it. When you listen, your brain can relax.
You can guess meaning. You can miss a word and still understand the idea.
But when you speak, everything feels faster
And more personal.
and sometimes a little scary.
There's a word for that feeling. Exposed. That word means you feel open, like people can see your mistakes.
For example, you might say, when I speak English, I feel exposed, like everyone is listening carefully.
And when your brain feels exposed, it tries to protect you.
So it says, be quiet. It's safer.
Another big reason is translation. Many learners translate every sentence in their head.
First your language, then English, then you check grammar, then pronunciation.
By the time you're ready, the conversation has moved on.
And you feel tired, heavy.
There's a word for that too. Overwhelmed. It means you feel like there's too much happening at the same time.
For example, I feel overwhelmed when people speak English too fast and I need to answer.
When you feel overwhelmed, speaking becomes very hard.
Many adults also feel afraid of sounding wrong
Not just wrong, but silly
or childish.
or not professional.
As adults, we want to sound capable.
That word is competent. It means you sound like you know what you're doing.
For example, at my job, I want to sound competent when I speak English.
And that wish can block your voice.
Here's something important. Your English is not broken.
It's just passive.
Passive English means you understand when you hear it.
Active English means you can use it when you need it.
Turning passive English into active English takes time,
And safety.
not pressure.
Let's talk about a real person. We'll call her Anna.
Anna understands English movies without subtitles.
She listens to English podcasts while cooking.
But at work, when her manager asks a question in English, she answers with one word.
Inside her head, she has a full sentence.
but her mouth says yes or no problem.
After work, she feels tired.
Not because of work, but because she kept her English inside all day.
That feeling has a name, too. Frustrated.
Frustrated means you feel upset because you want to do something, but you can't do it yet.
For example, I feel frustrated because I know English, but I can't speak freely.
That word yet matters again.
In the next part, we're going to talk about what Anna changes.
Not big changes, not scary changes.
Small things. Real things.
Things you can do in your normal life.
If this conversation feels helpful and calm, you can like or subscribe to Easy Way to Learn English. No pressure, only if it feels right.
And later, if you want, you can leave a comment, maybe one word about how speaking English makes you feel.
Welcome back. If you're still with us, thank you. That already tells me something about you.
It tells me you care, and that matters more than perfect English.
So we were talking about Anna. She understands English well, but speaking feels heavy.
Let's stay with her for a moment, because her story changes in a very quiet way.
One day, Anna notices something. When she's alone, she speaks English more easily.
She talks to herself while cooking, or she answers podcast questions out loud.
But when a real person is there, her voice hides.
So she doesn't decide to speak better. She decides to feel safer.
That decision changes everything.
The first thing Anna changes is very small. She stops trying to speak perfectly.
She tells herself, I will speak clearly, not perfectly.
That word clearly is important. Clearly means people can understand you, even if it's not perfect.
For example, I speak English clearly, even when I make mistakes.
When she stops chasing perfection, her body relaxes.
The second thing she changes is speed. She slows down.
Not the conversation, her thinking.
She allows small pauses.
Like this.
She learns that pauses are normal. Native speakers pause all the time.
A pause doesn't mean you're bad at English. It means you're human.
There's a word I love here, permission. Permission means you allow yourself to do something.
For example, I give myself permission to speak slowly.
When Anna gives herself permission, the pressure drops.
Another small change Anna makes is this. She prepares tiny sentences.
Not speeches, not long explanations, just small, useful sentences she can reuse, like, let me think for a second.
Or, can you say that again, please?
Or, I'm not sure, but I think.
These sentences become her safety bridge.
A bridge is something that helps you cross from one side to another.
For example, simple phrases are a bridge between silence and speaking.
Something else changes too. Anna stops translating full sentences.
She starts thinking in pieces.
Ideas first, words later.
She trusts that broken English is still communication.
And that trust grows slowly.
There's a moment at work. Her manager asks a question.
Anna feels the usual fear. Her heart beats faster.
But this time, she doesn't run away inside her head.
She takes a breath.
And she says, I need a moment. But yes, I think this plan can work.
It's not perfect, but it's real.
And something important happens.
No one laughs.
No one corrects her.
The conversation continues.
And Anna feels something new.
Relief.
Relief means you feel lighter after stress.
For example, after I spoke, I felt relief.
That moment doesn't make her fluent, but it makes her brave.
And bravery grows with repetition.
Repetition means doing something again and again.
For example, speaking needs repetition, not talent.
Now let's talk about you. Not in a big way, in a normal daily life way.
Imagine 5 small habits. Nothing dramatic.
The first one happens when you're alone.
You speak out loud. Just 2 or 3 sentences.
About your day, about your food, about anything.
Your brain needs to hear your English voice.
The second habit is choosing comfort. You speak English where you feel safest.
Maybe with one friend.
Maybe online.
Maybe talking to yourself while walking.
Safety builds confidence.
The third habit is using simple words on purpose,
Not because you don't know better words.
but because simple words move faster.
Fast communication is better than perfect vocabulary.
The fourth habit is celebrating small wins.
You said one sentence, that's a win.
You asked one question? That's a win.
Progress is quiet.
The fifth habit is patience.
Patience means you allow time.
For example, I'm patient with my English.
Language grows slowly, like plants, not machines.
I want to say something gently. If this podcast helps you feel calmer, you're always welcome here.
And if you feel like it, you can like or subscribe to Easy Way to Learn English. Not because you must, because you belong.
Let's review a few words we use today. Just softly.
Exposed. Feeling open, like people can see your mistakes. For example, I feel exposed when I speak English.
Overwhelmed. Too much at the same time. I feel overwhelmed in fast conversations.
Competent, sounding capable. I want to sound competent at work.
Frustrated. Wanting to do something, but not yet. I feel frustrated, but I keep trying.
Relief. Feeling lighter after stress. I felt relief after I spoke.
Permission. Allowing yourself. I give myself permission to make mistakes.
Here's a very soft challenge, only if you want.
Choose one word from today.
Make one simple sentence.
You can say it out loud or write it in the comments.
One sentence is enough.
Remember this.
Understanding English already means your brain is working.
Speaking will come when your body feels safe.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to be present.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
You're not behind.
You're learning.
See you next time on Easy Way to Learn English.
Bye for now.